Hello, my name is Gerson Camacho. We did the choose the company. I choose this company because I work in the area of floriculture and many times I have witnessed how these residuals are handled. How does this company contribute to pollution in our world? It contributes in a negative way since the lack of a treatment plant in the company causes immense damage to the environment. Since most of this waste goes directly to rivers, lakes, and the sea. In addition to this, the residues become possible source of disease causing public health problems. On the other hand, the discharge of this water into rivers, lakes, and seas without any kind of treatment also seriously affects the flora and fauna. What opinions and demands did you express in the formal letter that was sent to you? In the formal letter, it expressed its disagreement that the Orquídea SAS company in the municipality of Chía does not have a wastewater treatment plant and is being dumped into municipality water source causing, as is known, serious environmental damage. They were warned that if they did not comply with environmental lawsuit against them. Ecological solution to the problem of this company, and they will express how this impacts the environment in a positive way. One of the first solutions that this company must take is to install a wastewater treatment plant since with this it will carry out the treatment corresponding to this waste, greatly reduction pollution to the municipal water source. In addition, this water could also be given a second use, such as reusing them in the different production process of the company, this contributing to a healthier and clean environmental and window disease for the surrounding community.